In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle deleting or undoing commits in Azure DevOps repos using Git. Whether you have made a minor mistake or need to undo a more significant set of changes, this method will help you revert your commit while maintaining a clear history of actions taken. Let's dive right in and explore how this can be done safely and efficiently. To start, it's important to ensure you are working with the most recent version of your repository. You will want to either clone or pull the latest version to your local machine so that everything you're doing is in sync with the current state of the project. This step is crucial because working on an outdated version can lead to further complications or conflicts down the line. Next, it's time to identify the specific commit you wish to undo. You can do this in a couple of ways. By using the command line interface with git log, which gives you a detailed history of commits and their hashes, or by navigating the Azure Repos UI if you prefer a visual experience. Finding the correct commit hash is essential because it uniquely identifies the changes you intend to revert. Once you have the commit hash handy, you're ready to execute the pivotal command, git revert, followed by the commit hash in question. What this does is create a new commit. This new commit effectively undoes the changes introduced by the specified commit without completely erasing the original action from the history. It's like hitting undo, but with a traceable path, perfect for maintaining accountability and history in collaborative projects. After successfully reverting, the next step is to push this new commit back to your remote repository. This involves using the command git push origin, followed by the name of your branch. This action ensures that the changes are reflected everywhere, allowing your entire team to stay updated and in agreement with the latest state of the project. Once the push is complete, you can return to Azure DevOps to observe the results. In the commit history, you'll now see the revert commit neatly logged. Importantly, the original commit remains visible in the history, its effects nullified, but its existence preserved for reference. This transparency supports team discussions and future debugging, if necessary. By following these steps, you ensure your repository maintains a clean and accurate history while effortlessly managing any missteps along the development path. I hope you find this guide helpful in navigating commit management in Azure DevOps. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!